welcome to Prepzone Placement Booster Workshops. I'm Shubham Rankar, your personalized mentor for the workshop, and we have exclusively designed this workshop with the industry experts who have got 15 plus years of recruiting experience from the top B schools. And this is designed to help you in particular with your college placements, internships, lateral opportunities, case competitions, or creating that desired CV for your dream companies. So do not wait any further. Attend the workshops and enjoy the learning experience.
Hello everyone, this is Prepzone team and we are here to talk to you about our new product, which is the Placement Booster Workshop and Bootcamps. You know, a lot of us, when we go for our undergraduate or postgraduate experience, are clueless about a lot of industries. And when we are clueless about the industry, what kind of work it entails, what kind of people work in those industries, we are completely clueless about the placement process of those industries. And you know, college placements are a really fast-moving affair. You know, with very little time, it's highly rigorous, highly competitive, and it makes it even harder for people who are clueless to prepare and sit for those interviews and crack those. You might have heard about investment banking, venture capital, product management, management consulting, careers in marketing, human resources, operations, analytics, and many others. But many of us are clueless. What goes into this? What kind of work is expected? What kind of peers do I get? And this is where we pitch in. We have our new product, which is the placement workshop and boot camps, where we have industry experts from these fields coming and teaching you for a long time, over a longer duration, over a weekend or so, with many hours of workshop, with live sessions and many other things. These workshops will have pre-readings for you, which are carefully chosen by our mentors so that you don't get engulfed in the noise around these industries, which is there on the web. Then we have live sessions and hour-long workshops, which start from the very basics and goes to the advanced concepts about these industries, about how to prepare for the placement for these industries, what to expect. And there are mock interviews and live cases that are done with you so that you are prepared for these industries. We have tried this product with a maiden batch, which had students across IIMs and many other B schools, and we got raving reviews from them about our modules. So I invite you all to join us for our placement booster and workshops.